Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your S22 Ultra is updated and unlocked, and that you have the carrier Esim QR code or activation credentials ready. Connect to stable Wi-Fi. Cellular download may fail without it. Once done, check settings about phone and note the AMA/MAID. Support will ask. Back up any physical SIM data or profiles early, because adding an eSIM can replace active settings. This quick prep prevents hiccups and speeds the next step. You now install the eSIM. Open Settings, go to Connections, then SIM Card Manager, and tap Add Mobile Plan. Use the camera to scan the carrier QR or enter the activation code manually. The phone will validate and download the profile. Once installed, choose whether this eSIM becomes your primary line or secondary. Make sure you assign data, calls, and SMS appropriately. If you plan to use dual SIMs, set defaults now so apps and roaming behave as you expect. You finish by restarting the S22 Ultra to complete provisioning, then verify the carrier name and signal bars appear. Test a call, send an SMS, and browse to confirm mobile data. Also check voicemail and APN settings if data is missing. If something goes wrong, try toggling airplane mode or rescanning the QR code. Make sure only one profile is active during activation. If issues persist, provide the carrier your AMA and profile ID so they can push activation server-side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.